Hi, Bob. Let's do something fun.
Ugh, is that sunlight?
Ah, come on, Bob. You need to get out.
My eyes! Oh, I'm blind!
Don't grow back. Hey, look, Bob. It's that guy that hates you.
Hey, moron! Here's your mail!
Thanks, Derek.
Okay, moron. Next time I'll be throwing him in the lake, along with your stupid flying dog.
What? Rocket dog! Rocket dog!
Hey, wake up. Isn't that the chick you like over there?
Claire?
Yeah. Go and talk to her.
Okay. Hello. I like your dress.
What are you doing?
Well, I don't know, Rocket Dog. She's not even listening to a word I'm saying.
Just go up to her and ask her out already. I know. I'll show her all the pictures you took of her. Chicks dig photography.
No! She'll think I'm some sort of psycho. Claire's special. I have to wait for the right moment to ask her out.
Okay.
Help, please! Help, please! Help me!
Hey, Bob! 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 Bob!
What?
You didn't save her.
What do you mean? Rocket Dog, what did you do?
I took a photo.
No!
You can see her knickers. Right there. Aw, cheer up, Bob. We'll get you a new girlfriend. See that girl over there? Tell her.
What? You're not actually saying anything. All right, fine. I'll go and ask her.
Did you do it?
She actually said yes. Friday!
What you doing, Bob?
Oh, just recalling the events from last night. New girlfriend won't answer her phone. I've been trying all day.
I killed her!
Oh, I was just beginning to like her.
Actually, she's right over there. Ha ha! I was just kidding when I said I killed her. She's only sedated. Because you can't spell date without sedate.
What the hell is wrong with you?
You should probably get her out of the doorway because everyone can see.
Hey, moron!
Oh, hi, Derek. Happens to be my brother. Hi, Bob!
Gertrude, don't hang around with this guy. He's a loser.
Okie doke.
You're dead.
Ew. Her name was Gertrude? Dodged a bullet there. Huh, Rocket Dog?